Hello everyone, I'm Sean Spaulding and I've been making GameMaker tutorials on YouTube for about 5 years now. I'd like to keep making those videos, it's a lot of fun and I'm really happy to have been able to do it for this long. Making videos like mine takes a long time and a lot of effort. I've been lucky enough to actually make some money doing this via the advertisements on YouTube, but it's not really enough to actually live on full time and make videos as often as I do. And let's be honest, these adverts are a bit rubbish.
Coding your own games is easier than you think. You know?
You shut up, no it isn't. So how do I manage to keep doing this? Well, I'm supported, thankfully, by a bunch of lovely super good people via Patreon. Those people pledge a small amount of money to me monthly, and in return, they get to see my videos early, I help out with their issues, they help choose the video topics that I cover, they get to see my base project files, some of them even get access to everything I ever make for free. And at just $1 a month, you get your name in the credits of every tutorial video I ever make. Speaking of $1, I have almost 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and if about 750 of them, or 0.8% of them, gave me $1 a month, there'd be no more ads on any of my videos, and I could do this work basically forever. I can sustain my current income for a while, thanks to the odd freelance job I get, but eventually, this income kinda needs to grow, or I need to find a new job. I'm afraid that's just capitalism. So if you like my work and want videos from me long term, only you guys can really make it happen. If you don't think that's worthwhile, or you can't afford to support me, or whatever else, that's absolutely fine too. That is also just capitalism. Thank you all for watching, thank you to all my Patrons for supporting what I do, and I'll catch you guys next time.